name is Miss Michi 38, and right now we're at the reservoir. This is in Jersey City, and my son has a little project down here. And look at the city right next door. Walking down the path.
Stand up next to each other.
Okay, hold on.
Like a jailhouse picture.
Jailhouse. Now they're having it eat. Here, Mama. Here, take them. Keep videotaping.
Tell him about all his friends to stand up there. Tyler.
How do I look like with a stick? Say hi, Dad. Never mind.
Twin.
Huh?
Stick's your twin.
No, it's not.
No, it's more curvy in my back.
Doesn't Mom realize the longer the videos, the longer they're not going to watch it? And I sit down on camera.
This is Rocky.
This is Balboa. You see? It's going to go on my mom's YouTube channel. They are eating. The world knows what you look like now. Oh my God. That's his posse. Notice how the girl's in the middle.
You recording me?
No.
Shut it off.
No, because I'm not. Nope.
There's pizza there, Jasmine. Go get pizza.
Jasmine, get pizza. Alright? Get something. Go get. Go. Day's over. Everybody's eating lunch, so I hope everybody enjoys the videos and have a great day.
RJ.
RJ is cool. Well, they don't listen, huh?
RJ.
Keep going.
RJ.
Guys,
RJ.
fourth graders over here. Sixth graders over here. Start walking back.
Garbage. Your garbage.
That's not yours?
Okay. You threw out your garbage and everything?
Tell the principal that he's walking back on the street.
No, you're walking with us. I'm not going back to school.
And I talked to Anthony. I can show you the phone at what time. He's not home.
You guys line up, guys.
I already called him for you.
That's nighttime. We're going back to school.
No. Tell the principal that you take it.
Next week, we're going to call the doctor.
Is it okay that he comes with
Take
us?
him?
Yes. I'll let the teacher know.
I want to make sure Miss Fisher crossed him off the
Okay.
list so we don't look for him. So hang on
Okay.
just 1 minute.
Okay, you're taking him. I just want to make sure.
Ralph is going to attempt to do a backflip.
I haven't done this in years.
Okay. Let's see it. Hold on. I got to get a good video of this.
What? You think you hope
Sponsoring
when I fall?
fatties try to do
You hope
backflip on rail.
All right. Go ahead.
You think I want to fall?
No. Go ahead.
All right.
This is a backflip fail. Fail. Come on, man.
Fail blogs in case he falls.
You gotta do, hurry up. You only got 37 seconds. He's still trying. He says that he could do a backflip. Let's see what happens.
That's what you get for being cocky.
Oof, RJ.
Get ready,
I gotta see this.
I can do it this way.
Alright.
Richie, help me out. Dude, I was losing it right there for a minute. I was like, whoa.
That was funny.
Done.
You done? You're not gonna try to do it?
Nah.
Okay, say bye.